If you own a BMW, chances are you'd like to make it faster, and you've probably been looking into using MHD tuning software to make that happen. Well, you're not alone. I own a BMW, I want to make it faster, so I went ahead and I purchased the MHD tuning license to see what it can do on my 2012 135i. So I started out by testing 0 to 60 times, but I was pretty underwhelmed to find out that Stage 2 Plus was slower in the 0 to 60 because of the fact that I was getting so much wheel spin. So I decided to go with a little bit more unconventional range, 30 miles per hour to 90 miles per hour, but I felt like this was still a good range of speeds to show the acceleration of the vehicle while eliminating any wheel spin that I might have. The piece of pavement that I was using did have a slight grade to it, so I decided to take two different runs, one going downhill and one going uphill, and then take the average of those. Please do leave a like on the video if you thought that the information presented was valuable. And if you're curious about any of the maintenance that I've done so far to my 135i, feel free to check out this video right here and subscribe if you're interested in seeing more videos about it in the future.